Hey, hello guys. So today we're introducing about our scraper conveyor, or what we call the chain or drag conveyor. So in terms of structure, you can see this is the casing of our scraper conveyor. It is made of so this customer has requested to be fully stainless steel. So you can see these are the casings of the chain scraper conveyor. And then inside of the chain swivel conveyor, there will be the plate chain, or what we call the drag chain. And then the drag chain is on each side of the chain drag conveyor. And then inside there will be scrapers, 1, 2, 3, 4 in lines that will form in a row, so that when this when the chain is moving along, that the materials will be conveyed inside of the chain scraper. So the advantage of these chain scrapers is it is fully enclosed. Therefore, which means that there will be minimum dust emission compared to belt conveyor. But of course, the chain scrapers are more pricey in this turn. So yeah, basically, this is the casings of a chain scraper, and we'll show you the chains and the sprocket in our next video.